To get started, I've imported my video into the timeline. First, go to the effects panel and search for the black and white effect. Then drag and drop it onto your clip. As you can see, this turns the entire video into black and white. But this method applies the effect to the whole clip instantly. If you want to create a smooth transition, go back to the effects panel and search for Lumetri Color. Drag it onto your clip, then select the clip and open the Effect Controls panel. Find the Lumetri Color and expand it. Look for the saturation setting. Click the stopwatch next to saturation to create your first keyframe. Move forward in time, then reduce the saturation to 0. This creates a second keyframe and transitions your video to black and white. Now your video transitions from color to black and white. And that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more editing tips.